minus 6 minutes.
Five and a half minutes remain, and Orange still has 2 objectives.
Minus 5 minutes.
Go back to where you're going.
You're on my team. You got the last line. I'll go. Okay, go.
Minus 4 minutes.
Good trade. Good trade. Good trade. Hit. Hold fire. Hold fire. Hit. 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 Team. Hold. Hold. Dead. Dead. I got Trevor. He's still out of center, but it's open.
Okay.
So we got to try to hold that. So.
Okay. Sounds like they're close.
Yeah. Yeah. We'll push up on the left and then cut across. I'm taking long.
Alright.
Good hit, good hit, good trade. Hit. Alright. I'm on you.
Green is now in the lead with 2 objectives.
Yep.
Oh, right in the tender. I mean, you had it all like, goddamn.
Pushing up. Oh, sorry for the hand. Sorry.
Rep. That is such a scary guy.
minus 1 minute.
1 minute remains and Green still holds the lead with 2 objectives.
T minus 50 seconds. T minus 40 seconds.
Orange has taken the lead with 2 red points. 2 points. Orange has points on either side of the field.
Orange? Orange?
Minus 20 seconds.
Ah, good shot. Hit, hold fire. Hold
Orange
fire.
still has the points on either side of the field.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.